Let me start with a question for you. How many of you uses internet every day? And how many of you felt completely stuck when the internet suddenly stops? Exactly. We live in a world where intelligence feels connected to internet. But here is my question for you. Should intelligence stop just because internet stops? Hi, I'm Kanishtan, Advaita School student, tech innovator and the founder of Kanishtan program. I worked on artificial intelligence, robotics, and software developments. But today, I don't want to talk about technology. I want to talk about why I built it. Like many of you, during pandemics, I had too much of free time. I played games, I watched science fiction movies. I imagined a futuristic world where technology solved everyday problems. And slowly, boredom changed into curiosity. I started learning coding. First Python, then C++. At first, I was just exploring. Then something changed. At home, I saw my mother was doing too many household works every day. And I wondered, can I build something to help her? Then I built my first small prototype, a simple robotic vacuum cleaner. It wasn't perfect, it wasn't beautiful, but it worked. And that moment changed me because I realized something powerful. Ideas don't need to stay in our mind, you can turn them into realities. After that, I kept building. I created a voice control smart home system, working model of satellite, and also I designed a game. Then one day, my father told me something simple but powerful. Simple but powerful. He said, why can't you build something that helps people instead of just entertaining them? The question stayed in my mind. Around the same time, he told about a village where people don't even have internet access at all. I started thinking, we talk about AI, we talk about smart assistant, we talk about future. But what about tribal communities? What about students in remote villages? What about people who don't even have internet access? What is the use of advanced technology if it can't reach the people who really want it most? That single question becomes the starting point of Kyle AI. When people talk about AI, they usually imagine fast internet, powerful computers, big cities. But I want to create something different. So I designed Kyle AI to work offline, to give fast and simple answers, to run on low-end computers. Because education should not stop just because internet. Then one, then one day, my mother asked me another important question. Will it work in Tamil? I'm more comfortable in my own language. That made me to realize something else. Technology is not just about access, it's also about language. How many of you understand concept better in your mother tongue? Yeah, that's fine. So I designed Kyle AI to understand and respond in multiple languages because learning feels powerful when it feels personal. Around the same time, I noticed something that everyone may have been experienced. If you search something once and suddenly advertisement about it follows you everywhere. That made me to realize about privacy. If you are building a AI for school, for student, for community, it must be safe. So I designed Kyle AI to work with privacy first approach. No storing personal data, no spying, no tracking. Because invention is not just about what technology can do, it's all about what it should do. Now coming to interesting part. I started coding when I was 9. First it was curiosity, then it became passion, then slowly it became purpose. But let me be honest. There were days when the AI gave wrong answer. There were days when I wondered, can I really do this? Then I reminded myself of quote. Age is not a limitation, just a number. Age is not a limitation, it's just a number. Then after that I kept building. My mission is simple: to democratize technology, to inspire young people to explore STEM, to make AI helpful, safe, and accessible to everyone. I want students like me to believe that you don't need a big company, don't need to wait until you grow up, you don't need expensive tools. You just need curiosity and courage. Kyle AI is not just an AI assistant, it's the proof that young mind can build meaningful solutions. Let me ask you this. If you see a problem in your school, in your street, in your village, what if the solution is not waiting somewhere else? What if the solution is waiting inside you? Next big idea won't come from a big lab. It may come from a classroom like this. And technology should not stop where internet ends. And it's just the beginning of my journey. And maybe today it's beginning of yours too. Thank you.